Ito, kanta. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for Angelica.
Thank you. Wala pa lirik. Yung music pa. Yung lalagay.
She just did the best she could.
Aww.
There are times the best is
Puta.
no matter how you try to be kind. There's always still a part of you you leave behind. And when it falls apart, there's a easy way to break somebody's heart.
Putang ina siya.
Told her she'd be fine, but we both knew it was just a lie. I had to tell her, 'cause I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she'd reach out for my hands, and a simple touch was all that I could say. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Oh.
I could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, and her to realize it never was her style.
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
I wanted her to love me and not to treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say there'd be someday I come crawling on my knees and ask her back again.
Oh.
But she acted like a lady till the end. Woo.
In fairness, lady.
She break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. Yes, when it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Yay! Yay! Woo! Puta ka. Actually, 10 points. 10 points. Kuha. Kuha.
Sorry.
10 lang?
10 out of 10.
Huwag mong galitin, masaya siya.
Oo, wag siya. Puta. Hindi. At saka, ito po. Yan. Yan ang crowd ni Angelica. Ito po ang rest back. Yes. Wag po ito. Okay? Yes. Wag po ang rest back. Okay? Hindi. Next song!
Next song.
Oh.
Anong i-dedicate nyo?
Nakanta para kay Angge.
Tapos na si Jen. Hindi,
Hey.
ikaw na, Richie. Naku, Diyos ko. Ikaw, galing na. Naku!
Teka lang, napesra ko. Gumagawa ako ng kalamansi.
Ako may gagawa!
Busy yung ninang gumawa naman.
Oo.
Suggestion ko kasi.
Kim naman!
Dapat ba si JC?
Dapat tayo naman! Isa pa!
Kakanta daw si JC.
Kasi ang dami na ni Richie.
Ay!
Nanay ko nga po pala.
Sige, si Kim, si Kim.
Oh, Kim!
Kim, ikaw yung kakanta.
Yung song mo sa ex
Wala,
mo.
hindi mo lang.
Huwag kang tatanga-tanga, Kim. Anong entry mo?
Okay. Okay, may entry ka, di ba? Oh, yun, kantayin natin.
Alam mo yan. Okay.
Why are you
Yung song mo sa ex mo. Yung song mo sa ex mo.
Got your backbone. Got your backbone.
Ako yung brown.
Champion.
Constantly.
Bakit constant?
Ano yan? Gitara.
Ganyan? Ganyan yung mararamdaman ko? Ganon? Sige nga. Pwede nga chair. Pop-in mo ako dyan. Nangyari, ako yung mag-end.
Farewell party mo sa ASAP.
Gitna nyo akong gag.
Quiet. Ang iingin nito mga rowdy people.
How sorry you were, even so soon, and that you miss me sometimes when you're lonely. Do I feel lonely too? You have no right. Ask me how I feel.
Asap, interpretive dance.
You have no right to speak to me so kind. We can go on holding on to time. Now that we're living separate
Excuse me.
Well, I held on
Hindi nila alam.
to let you go. And if you lost your love for me, would it never let it show? There was no way to compromise. Now that we're living separate lives. So difficult, love leads to isolation. Yes, you build a wall, and you make it stronger.
Ano ba yung
Ask me how I feel. So someday I might find myself looking in your eyes. But for now, we'll go on living
Muntik mahulog. Muntik mahulog.
separate.
Natuwa ako. Okay. Sige, next song.
Thank you, next.
Thank you, next.
Napapansin mo ba ako nung basihan ng song for you? Sakit. Ay.
Okay ka
Ay.
na.
Ay.
Ito, hulaan ko lang.
I mean, next song na.
Ay, may next song na.
So, inom ulit ako.
Oo.
Hello.
Makinig ka lang. Makinig ka.
Para sa ito, tribute mo to. This is all about you this time because you're going to be living in this place. Wala na. Humanap ka. Bigyan siya ng alak. Bigyan siya ng alak!
Nakakapanig! Oh! Nakakapanig! Ayaw ko lahat yan. Ayaw na akin yung Dia. Bigyan mo sa kanya.
Go, just sing.
Hindi ako pinom ng black. Oh my God.
Just sing.
Ay, oh. Ayan. Kahit na sinasaktan ako.
So, huwag ka maingay. Kanta sa'yo to, huwag ka na kumanta. Alok, ang pangat ng boses.
Sa'yo.
Hala.
Kahit na nagmukhang tanga.
Mali-mali.
Ay, iba na pala.
May sexy ka.
Tumingin ka sa iba, mahal ka ng iba. Magbubulag-bulagan ako. Dito sa puso ko.
Ang gay quiet, kanta sa'yo yan.
Ang gandang sinusok.
Oo, alam ko.
Hindi ako matatakot, mahihiyain. Ano man ang sabihin na, dahil mahal kita, dahil mahal. Ando, hindi ko kaya masasarap ng lechon sa
Hayaan mo na. Yan ang mga challenges nyo, Gaga.
Hindi ako parang may animal cruelty.
Hindi ko kaya. Ang ganda niya.
Hayaan mo na.
Ano yung lechon talaga?
Go, Kate.
Grabe.
Grabe ka, Kate.
Fairness.
Kim!
Grabe naman yun.
Fairness.
Kim, okay na. Nagmahal na ako. Nagbobo na nga ako. Ano yung tanga? Okay na.
Ah, eto pa.
Oh, ahit na.
Sa video yung may tumata.
Niloloko mo lang ako. Bakit na? Tumingin ka sa iba. Mamahal ka ng iba. Pulang-pulagan ako. Masakit ba nito? Ito sa puso ko. Dahil mahal na mahal kita.
Gago.
Wait, gusto niyo ba yung kanta?
Yay! Kim! Woo! Woo!
Grabe si Kim. Grabe sila.
Grabe siya, no? Fairness.
Ako yung roadie.
Alin?
Slice of pie. In a slice.